So, if you would like your very own Igbo name, please send me a DM. My Instagram is linked in the description below. So basically you would describe yourself, let me know what types of things you want to manifest into your life, what your relationship with God is like, what your parents want for you, and just what your loved ones would like to see manifest in your life, as well as what you would like to see manifest in your own life. And if there was any interesting or notable events around your birth that could kind of shape what your destiny would be, or the meaning or the symbolism behind your birth and your entry into this world, right? If you're Igbo, please hit me up as well too, and I can feature your name on the next Igbo name of the day. But yeah, thanks a lot. I appreciate everyone's support of this YouTube channel. I will see you in the next video. Take care.